Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure there is sign available for Play Store. To check that, you have to open your Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, at the top right corner, you can find profile icon. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you can check whether you are using the same mail or not, and then you can close this and open your Play Games app. You will land to the home page now. At the top right corner, you can find three dots. Click on it. After tapping on three dots, it head towards this optional settings. Over here, you can find different sections. Under profile and privacy, you will be able to see the option of automatically sign on to supported games. You have to toggle on for that option. Sadly, in my device, that option is not available. But if you have got the option, then you can enable it and then you are good to go. After you toggle on for the every game, you will open automatically sign you in. So this is how you can transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. If the video was helpful to you, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.